So this is the motor 175 that had spark, and the owner picked it up and took it to the lake and it wouldn't start. And so we did a spark check on it this morning and it was no spark at all. So we disconnected everything, and there's video on that, and checked everything. The stator output seemed a little low, and it was doing some weird stuff. But anyway, you unplugged everything and plugged it back in, and now it's sparking. That one's really good. That one's pretty good. That one's not so good. But it's sparking and fairly consistent. And that one that's not so good, it's the top one on this side over here. So now it's firing, and we didn't do anything.